Good morning guys, Sean Evans here at Lift Hills and Thrills. I'm operating on 0 hours sleep, so I do apologise for the sunglasses, and it's actually raining here at Europa Park. You guys overwhelmingly voted for an opening day Voltron vlog, a Voltron Nevera powered by Rimac vlog, and that's the one I'll be bringing to you today. Crowds don't look too bad at the moment, but I imagine it's a different story right down there in the brand new Croatian theme land. Let's jump inside, soak up the atmosphere of opening day. Welcome to Europa Park.
Let's go!
So far, so good. No crazy Nemesis Reborn queues. Yeah. I feel as though we're being led into a full sense of security here. The crowds are pretty much normal for the time being. This is actually quite normal. They seem to leave people here until opening time, and then hotel guests who come in from the other side of the park get early ride time. So obviously they keep everybody here, whilst all the hotel guests experience a few early attractions as a perk of staying over. So tired, but Voltron, I know damn well, will wake me up and then some. The mob have been let in. We got a Voltron to ride. Got all the crowds coming in now, thick and fast. Look over there. It's German Parkspiel. Parkspiel. I may be tired, but I'm still excited about going on a ride I've already done multiple times already. Now that tells you they've got something special. Carnage, absolute carnage. You got all the tables back out again.
The train is leaving.
Okay. Got the camera crew recording everybody coming off the ride. First ride reactions. Lots of camera crew, lots of filming. Right, and we've already done the normal entrance, so let's try single rider this time. Now we're coming out a different bit this time, straight out, and then straight in a different way, straight through into the baggage hold. I've seen it all before, yet it's still incredible. Absolutely incredible. Also, there's no queues because everyone is in their groups on opening day, and the single rider is just straight shooting straight to the front. That's how you do it on opening day. That's how you do it. The queue is huge. Hours long. And we're straight in.
Yeah, straight in.
The only downside is you see Nikola Tesla's arse instead of his face. But we can get over that. Still a queue, but it's a hell of a lot less than what it would have been. Well, it definitely did do this before. Forgetful like me, there's like a little computer that you can tap your card on, so they give you a card to obviously unlock your lockers. They give you a little card, you scan it on the computer, and that computer tells you what locker number you are, just in case you forget. As soon as we get to this bit, the ride had gone down for 20 minutes, but as you can hear by the cheers, it looks like we're back up, ready to rock and roll. And you'll notice when the ride's in operation or not, because when a train passes through there, the shutters will close, and that hides and conceals the special effect before you go into your first launch. So the train's coming in now. The shutters should close, hiding it. Away you go. the train's been launched, them shutters should open straight on back up. Alright, so the train's just been launched, shutters open, and no secrets have been revealed.
But you get to see him on that screen over there. Which is obviously a pre-recorded video because Michael Mack's on one of the trains.
Not demonstrated at the moment because there's not a train coming through, but whatever that is there, whether that's a plug, a gun or whatever it is, I can't really see it from this angle. Before the train launches and those shutter doors come down, it actually moves together, joins and gets plugged in, and that before it starts. It's these little Easter eggs that we didn't notice on press day, and yeah, especially like with the noise that of making the Voltron soundtrack with the lightning up there, and obviously the little gun and everything else. Yeah, lovely little Easter eggs that complement the experience. The extra added effort. We're still here, and it's been close to just over half an hour now, and Voltron is having some issues. There was a rollback. Mr. Thrill Ride has caused that one. You can send him messages. He was the last person on the train that rollbacked, and ever since then it's had some issues. The ride valleyed yesterday. That one has just had to be rolled back and has had to be relaunched, so hopefully they can get it sorted. I've seen a lot of reports that people said that there's big crowds and some people were falling to the floor. I've got to say, from everything that I've seen so far, I haven't seen that happen. It actually seems to be very well organised in terms of people sultering down to the queue line and not rushing or running or stepping over one another. Maybe that have been the case for people who wanted to get on it first, but I certainly haven't seen it since. But no, I think the crowd organisation's been absolutely fine from my point of view, but obviously I wasn't here bright and early, you know, right at the front, so it could be a completely different story. But so far, not so good in terms of operations. Still having some teething issues. 40 minutes and we've moved a few centimetres, so that's good, a few centimetres.
I tell you what though, the second they got the ride up, this queue is being eaten up alive. 1,600 people an hour capacity. I'm not sure how many trains it's running on today, with obviously one valleying yesterday. They took one off the track, so maybe 6 today, that's a guess. But we're flying now, we're absolutely flying. You don't stand in one place for longer than 10 seconds when it's all operating, and we timed it. It was roughly around between 18 and 25 seconds a new train was coming around, in that sort of time frame. See, another one just come through straight away as soon as I said that. Shutters get covered, that goes. As soon as the covers come back up, 18, 20 something seconds, and another one's right there waiting. Incredible operations.
Now it's like a conveyor belt of trains. There you go. It's like buses, but every 18 to 20 seconds. And another one's just coming, it just keeps going.
definitely the same merch that we've shown you already. Nothing new. Get your ride photos and take a big deep breath. Right, we just had a back row, my first ever back row. That's every row now ticked off. Back row was surreal. Yeah, you got to be made of some stern stuff to to get yourself multiple laps on there. It's ridiculous. The level of intensity, the air time, the hang time in that moment. The launches, they're so whippy, they're so forceful. There's nothing like it. There is nothing like it. It's just Max showing off. It's like, look, we have a prototype. There's nothing else like it in the world. Here's what we've got. Who wants it? And I imagine a very, very, very large amount of people want this particular model. And we've been told that other companies are already flying out to ride Voltron. They're already shopping the ride around. And yeah, I imagine we'll be seeing a few more striker coasters in the future from Mack Rides, because it's a game changer. It's a game changer. Mack once again proving why they are right up there alongside Intamin as some of the best roller coaster manufacturers in the world. So now we've just had our ride. We're gonna have a little nosy around the area again. I didn't show the Croatian food off too much last time, so I might actually grab a wrap or something and see what that's all about. But the Croatian food that they put on for the press day was gorgeous. So I found my new favourite cuisine in Europa Park for the time being. But of course I would say that. I've been invited out to Croatia to cover Voltron, all about Nikola Tesla. And yeah, I'm just hungry. Gonna get some food. The gentleman there from VJoy having an interview. I can't remember his name and I met him yesterday. Shortly, because that Croatia exhibition is now open again, so I'm not going to miss it this time around. Third time lucky. Some food in my belly. €9.50. For me, that early, they've only just got the food out. It smells like a marinara, like a meatball marinara that you get from Subway. Look at that. Oh, get in my belly. Mama. Spicy. Right, inside the Croatian exhibition we get. What in the world is this? Oh wow, okay. This is a lot of empty space. Alright. Dalmatian, which was a breed originating from Croatia. How many times have you changed the light bulb? Little interactive things to get yourself entertained. Little crank meter. Other little weird bits and bobs, and then just a random Croatian football kit. Is it Luka Modric? It is, of course it is. You know why? Because he's the only Croatian player that I know. Put your hands on it. Put your hand on the balls. Just little bits and bobs, really. With some interactive things to celebrating Croatian athletes. Cabinets full of little goodies. A giant pen. Don't know why a giant pen's there. The pen is mightier than the sword. Was the pen invented in Croatia? I assume so. And some screens over there in the corner. Interactive screens, and over there 2 driving seats for whatever reason. Nevera, the fastest car in the world. Sit down and you'll probably be able to watch like a POV of a Nevera testing or something like that. This is very weird. Some of this stuff's very strange. Very, very strange. It's like IKEA with an art gallery. It's like if those two had a child. Even though IKEA is Swedish. You know what I mean. The food was lovely. The Croatian exhibition, not so much. But Voltron, opening day, it's going to be the same footage as what I've shown you before. But someone's opinion that I want to get on Voltron is Hayley.
No.
What did you think of your first ride?
Wow. I don't think it compares to anything else we've done, like, ever. It has taken number one, 100%. Back row, I would like to do front row just to be able to see everything better, but back row, the forces stuff is it's on point. The air time, the hang time, it leaves you with no words. 100% glad I came.
Did that lady just check her hair in the back of our video?
Probably.
Five it. Right, and with that said, I want to thank Europa Park once again for inviting us out. It's been a crazy week of content. There might be little bits and bobs to come, but we're not sure yet. Depends on if other areas are open and what we can and can't film. But I hope you've enjoyed all the videos and appreciate it very, very much. Please subscribe. It means the world. I'm chasing down 100,000 subscribers. One day I'll get there. I might be old and grey and bald, but we'll get there. See you in the next one. Shut up, Hayley. Bye.